Help Desk is a support solution for technology teams that seamlessly integrates with Resource Manager, their asset management solution, so that they can support all of the devices being used in the district, making sure that any maintenance or repairs are done efficiently and quickly to minimize classroom disruption. So it's going to enable them to sync all of their student information and what devices they have, easily create support tickets for those devices, manage the entire workflow, and in some cases automate some of the work in Help Desk for their IT teams, and improve communication so that everybody knows when the device is fixed, what state it's in, and how quickly they can get it back into a student's hands.